ChatGPT is the big rage. We are seeing it everywhere. Problem is a lot of people don't know what it is and still don't know how to use it. This video is going to give you an amazing example of how to use it to build your business. Hi, I'm Stan Shields, founder, Marketing Automation Solutions. ChatGPT has been integrated into the Nowsite 2.0 platform. Justin Bellababa, who is the founder and CEO of Nowsite, is going to share with you an amazing example of how to use ChatGPT and Nowsite to build your business. Check this out.
I am Justin. I'm the founder and CEO here at Nowsite. And the first thing that I have the honor and privilege of presenting is Nowsite 2.0. This is the first time, this is the first live demonstration of Nowsite 2.0, powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 artificial intelligence. This is the best AI in the world. By far, it's the best I've ever seen. It is mind-blowingly cool, and you're going to see how it will power Nowsite and how it's going to power all of your businesses in the very, very near future. Okay, so that's announcement number one. Announcement number two, which is going to be a bit of a surprise, is that today I'm going to launch something I've always wanted to do. A lot of people don't know this about me. But you know what? I've always been really interested in starting a swimming pool construction company. But I have a problem. You know what my problem is? I don't know where to start when it comes to marketing my new swimming pool construction business. Luckily, we built this thing called Nowsite 2.0. Powered by the most incredible artificial intelligence ever. So together, right now, we're going to build the marketing for my new swimming pool construction company here in London. All right, so let's get to it. I'm going to share my screen with you. And I don't have a lot of experience in swimming pools. I don't have a lot of experience in marketing. So we're going to give it a shot. But look, I've got access to this new tool. As you can see, this AI button. And this is something you guys are all going to have access to soon, sooner than you might think. And all I need to do is ask it to give me some help, okay? So I'm saying, my name's Justin, and I'm starting a high-end swimming pool construction business here in London. First of all, can you suggest a name for my business? How about London Luxury Pools or London Premier Pools? Okay, I kind of like London Luxury Pools. I like London Luxury Pools. Can you suggest a slogan for my business? I'm not very creative, as you all know. How about creating beautiful swimming pools in London or bringing luxury swimming to London? Okay, you know what? I think I like that first one. I like that first one. Can you please suggest some keywords? Because I'm going to build a website. I don't know the first thing about doing that either. Right? But I have heard something about something called SEO and that a website needs keywords. So can you please suggest some keywords for SEO or to optimize my SEO, whatever the heck SEO is? You can use swimming pool construction London. swimming pool design London, luxury swimming pool London, custom swimming pool London, high-end swimming pool London, and premium swimming pool London. Okay, those are great keywords. But I know I need to, put some kind of a description on my website, probably, and maybe a headline. Okay, so, maybe I'll ask it for that. This is helpful, but I know I've got a long way to go. And again, I'm very inexperienced in online marketing. So let's try that. Let's can you please? Let's see. Write a SEO optimized description of my business for my website. Let's see what it comes up with. London Luxury Pools is a high-end swimming pool construction company based in London, UK, that specializes in the design and installation of premium quality swimming pools. We use only the highest quality building materials and modern designs to make sure your pool exceeds all expectations. Our team of professionals can provide you with the best advice and expertise available to ensure that your custom swimming pool meets your every need. Contact us today to get started on creating the perfect pool for you and your family. I love that. That is so great. You know what? I think I'm almost ready to build my website, but I need a headline, right? A headline for my website. Creating beauty and luxury with London's premier swimming pool construction company. Okay, so now I've got a headline, I've got my keywords, I've got a description for my website, but now I need to figure out who to target, right? I mean, I know that Nowsite has this incredible database of 2.2 billion searchable prospects, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know the first thing about targeting. Like, what the heck is that? Let me see if the AI can help me with that. Can you suggest who my ideal target customer might be? Let's see if they can help me with this. Help me with my targeting a little bit. Your ideal target customer would likely be the affluent and luxury-seeking population in London, such as high net worth individuals, celebrities, and other financially well-off people who are looking for a high-end swimming pool construction company in the area. Okay, that's a good start. So what types, but I want more, like, I want to be able to use this in my targeting. What types of employment or education would my target customers have? Let's see what it says. Your target customers are likely to have higher levels of education and lucrative employment. They could be professionals such as doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs, real estate developers, and other influential people in the London area. That's cool, okay. What about age range? Your target customers may range in age from young professionals to more established affluent luxury-seeking customers who have the financial means to consider. Okay, so any age range. Okay, so that's great. So I think we kind of know who we want to target. We want to target doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs. But what about interests? What kind of interests do my target customers have? Let's just narrow this down a little bit more. And then what I could do with this is I can put this into my prospect targeting. Your target customers may be interested in activities such as luxury travel, fine dining, leisure activities, entertainment, and other luxury services. Okay, so now I know who I want to target. Okay, but now I actually want to kind of, maybe build some marketing tools that I can use to reach out. So I'm going to ask now, write an email campaign introducing my business to my target customer. Please offer a free consultation. Okay, so now it's going to write me an email that I can send to reach my target customers. Dear name, we are London Luxury Pools, the premier swimming pool construction company based in London, UK. We specialize in creating beautiful and luxurious swimming pools that exceed all expectations. Our team of professionals can provide you with the best advice and expertise available to ensure that your custom swimming pool meets your every need. We understand that finding the perfect swimming pool for your unique desires can be a challenge. That is why we are offering a free consultation to discuss your dream pool design. During the consultation, our experts will answer all of your questions and help you select the right features that meet your needs. If you're looking for a luxurious swimming pool design and installation service, please don't hesitate to contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you create the perfect pool for you and your family. Sincerely, London Luxury Pools team. Now that is a perfect introductory email. I'm just going to make one more request, okay? Because I think you guys get the idea. My swimming pool business is going to be a wild success. I think that's obvious. So let me just do one more thing here. Let me ask it to please suggest 3 blog headlines for this about how to plan your swimming pool construction project, or how let's say a homeowner should plan their swimming pool construction project. So we're just gonna get some headlines, and so let's see what kind of ideas that they come up with for us. How to plan the perfect swimming pool construction for your home. Essential considerations for your swimming pool construction project. Tips for ensuring a successful swimming pool construction project. And look, all I need to do is pick one of those, ask it to write a blog, and it's going to do exactly that. So I'm going to just pick this last one and say, please write, and I'll just keep it short, maybe a 250 word blog called Tips for Ensuring a Successful Swimming Pool Construction Project. One, develop a comprehensive plan. Before beginning any construction project, it is important to develop a comprehensive plan that outlines the entire process. You should map out all the details of your project, including the timeline, materials, and budget. 2, hire an experienced professional. Make sure you hire a qualified contractor who knows how to build a pool. Ask for references, review their work, and make sure you're comfortable with their skills before proceeding. 3, plan for maintenance. It's not enough to just build a pool. You need to anticipate the regular maintenance you will need on an ongoing basis. Make sure you include sufficient funds in your budget for doing so. 4, invest in quality materials. A successful pool construction project requires top quality materials, so don't skimp on price when buying them. And 5, follow all local regulations. To avoid potential legal issues in the future, follow all local regulations related to swimming pool. This includes obtaining the permits and inspections required by your area. Now I have my very first blog for my swimming pool construction company. Together, we just went from a dream I've always had of starting my very own pool construction company. We've named it, we've got a slogan, we've got our keywords, we've got an SEO optimized description, we've got a headline for our website. We've targeted our customer, we've written an email campaign, we got 3 blog headlines, and we wrote our first blog in, 10 minutes. And I can tell you, this is better than what I could do myself. But this is just the beginning, okay? Like, what makes this such a perfect fit for Nowsite is how you're able to put this to use immediately. So for example, I asked it to write this headline for my website, okay? So I can just copy this and I can go over to my marketing section where I'm working on a website, and I can just click edit. And here, I can just paste the headline that it wrote for me, totally seamlessly. Right? I can go back and I can find that description that it wrote for me. The SEO optimized description I asked for. See, I can just, there it is. I can copy it. I can go back to my website. And I can paste it. It is that simple to apply the content that you're generating inside our system. And I could do this with the email campaign. I could do this with the blog post. I could do this with the keywords. But one other thing, I remember that it also suggested some prospect targeting, right? London, UK, people that are interested in, I think it was fitness, health, wellness, that we wanted high income folks, right? I think it suggested people with an education in, law, medicine, finance, business, right? So I can take that, AI powered targeting information, and I can immediately start finding my perfect prospect. So we're going to find one right now, and here's Peter Room. Right, so we've used the AI to optimize our targeting. I'm going to view this contact, and the last thing that I want to show you guys, in case you haven't seen this yet, is we've added instant personality analysis. So you all have access to this part now. So if I want to get a personality prediction of this perfectly targeted prospect for my swimming pool business, that we've pulled for you from our database of over 2 billion prospects, all I have to do is just click this Analyze Personality, click that button, and we are doing a live, instant, detailed personality profile. We know Peter, who we just met, is committed, direct, and competitive. Direct when delegating tasks, it's a high bar for achieving success. I can go deeper into the report. I can see how he'll behave, how to email him, how to meet with him, what's going to stress him out, what's going to energize him. All of this absolutely instant on all of your prospects now. How to book a meeting with Peter, how to address his pain points, how to pitch, how to present, how to build rapport, how to solve problems, how to create urgency, how to talk about competition, how to talk about money.
How was that? Did you get some ideas that you can use? If you'd like to learn more and to get some more information, maybe pricing and so forth, click the link down below. It'll take you to a page where you can get more info. At the time that this video was recorded, there was a pretty significant discount going on. So depending on when you see this, you may be able to take advantage of that. If not, and you'd like to get some more information about this phenomenal system, book a time with me. Let's talk. Let's see if it makes sense for your business. If you just can't wait, send me a text.